Hello viewers, today I'm going to do a vlog on our small trip to Tinchule, and we have reached to Shiliguri Junction station over here. As you can see, this is the Shiliguri station over here. Vehicle to come, and then we are going to Tinchule. Chalo, let's move on. So we started our journey now in the evening time, just on our way to Tinchule. Here our bacha parties. Hi. Hi. Safin is totally engrossed.
I won with Chula Chuli.
And my brother. Yes, Shish. What do you want to say?
Hi.
Something?
Hi.
Hi.
We are going to Tinchulo.
Darling.
Hi.
And big bro is sitting quietly. Already gone to sleep. Too tired. Thinking of how to reach. So now we have come to our halting here. After having our normal tea and snacks, we will move towards Tinchule. We have reached to Tinchule, and this is our homestay. It's a beautiful homestay. I just loved it, and we all loved it. In fact, my niece, nephew, my brother, my big brother is also there. We all just loved it. Just see what are the things over here. You have Wi-Fi connection, you have TV, all the channels are there. Then nice cozy ambience sitting, and there is bonfire also outside. Okay, and see the just view from here, from this window and this window. You just can see the outside lovely. I'll show you all in the morning also. This is just the night. You can see the hills with all the starry lights over there. You know, it feels like all the stars. Very, very adventurous and romantic place to sit over here. This is also one place children can sit over here. Then here also. Here also you can sit and watch TV. This also no problem. We have totally security. This is the one way to go to the other room where we have booked our. This is another room. Girls are going to stay over here. Again, my brother is there, big brother. Hi. Okay, so this is also very cozy room. This one also for us. It's quite good. You can have the balcony view from here. Just see the balcony view. So nice. You could hear sound of waterfall. It's very adventurous. Just see the starry lights. Morning also I'll show you all. Open this. Okay, wow. You just can sit over here in the morning and have your tea, do some gupshup. Okay. This is the balcony. It's not visible. Just see the sound of the waterfall. Can you hear it, guys? Just see. Here is the balcony. How many of you all want to come here? Just tell me. I wish I could stay here for at least a week, but leave it. Unfortunately, we have to leave it by tomorrow. So, just lovely view. Early morning, have your sip of tea over here. Do gupshup with the children or your friends. Nice quality time spending, isn't it, guys? See, so many plants are also here. I'll show you. The bathroom is also very nice and tidy. It is, though it is a small one, but I like it. It's very neat and clean and very tidy it is. So this is it, guys, and I'll show you another room. That is also very nice, and at night you can do bonfire also. This is the room for the men folk. They'll sleep over here. It's smaller than that one, but it's good, fine for the men to sleep. Here is also one view. Just see the bonfire. Can you see, guys, the bonfire? Also one toilet is there. Okay. And then here, this is the balcony. is the entrance, guys, from the balcony. Say hi, Safin. Hello. See, this is the dining space. We're going to have our food over here. And the kitchen, see, small, neat and clean kitchen is there. Everything is so well maintained and well clean. The main thing is that very hygiene and very clean it is. Food, potato fries, full bowl of chicken, 4 to 5 pieces are there, papad, pickle, moong ki dal, and then salad is also coming on the way. So this is the food which is very freshly made. It's hot and it's tasty also because the children have already eaten. They said the review is very nice. The children love the food. Okay, so here my family is having, my hubby is there, and my bhabis are also, my sister-in-laws are also having, but I will not show them. They are very shy. They don't come in front of the camera. So sorry for that, but they like the food. Yes, how you like the food, bhabis? Very tasty, no? Okay. So they are engrossed now in having the food. Hospitality is very nice. They're very cozy and comfortable. I am now very eager to have the food. I'm hungry like anything. Thank you, guys.